The most essential skills that a student would learn in this program would be MIG, TIG, stick to help them get along in the workplace to better themselves for the future. I'm Tony Williams. I'm the welding instructor here at ASU-Mountain Home. An example of some of the hands-on learning stuff we do is we build a rocket stove with students, we build pressure vessels with students, we also do some blueprint projects with students where they have to put things together. The career paths that a student could find after they leave this program would be a welder, fabrication, certified welding inspector. Those are the things that they would lead into.
I'm Liz Watson. I'm a welding student at ASU-Mountain Home. In less than 1 year of welding, did somehow win first at state at Skills USA. Everything I've learned was from them. I mean, I didn't know a thing about welding before a year ago when I started here in the fall. Never seen a welder, never welded once a day in my life, and then somehow won state. And I would accredit all of that to them.
I'm Jimmy Wallace. I'm the plant manager at the Flippin, Arkansas White River Marine Group location. We hire graduates from ASU Mountain Home because first and foremost, when they come in the workforce, they've got some punctuality to them. You know, they've got some ambition. The ASU Mountain Home graduates are by far set apart from the other ones because they don't just bring one skill set to the work floor, they bring multiple ones. So that gives me an individual to where I can put it in a MIG row, I can put them in a TIG row, whatever I need. ASU Mountain Home being partnered with White River Marine Group works out very beneficial for us because as we increase production rates, we know we've got a workforce that's trained, skilled, and ready to bring to the table.